Hey, hi guys, morning. So, welcome to day one of data science tour, and where we will cover some Python basics. And as you know, Python is a very powerful language. It's a high level programming language actually that's easy to learn and widely used for the various applications. And in this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple process of Python. So, in this video, we will be covering the following topics. As a part of introduction, we will print some strings, and we will work on the numbers where integers and floats should be covered. We will combine some strings in the number and the vice versa, and we will try to work on couple of errors and how to avoid those errors into the future. So this is all about my table of content. So, hi there, I'm Raj Kumar and welcome to Data Science Tour. This is the place where we make the data science easy and fun. Together, we will explore the cool way to understand and use the data, as well as we will learn some helpful tips and tricks. So, come along and join me on this adventure into the world of data science. Let's learn and grow together. So, in this section, we will print generic word like hello word we are printing. So, we will print here. So, for this, I will write here print, okay, and then I'll start caps. I will write hello world, okay, and then you can run it. So we will simply click on this icon, it will execute it. If you want, you can print any other uh, string as well. So I will write here print. So let's say welcome to data science tour, okay, and if you want, you can print it here. So that's that. So this is all about the basic strings which we are covering. Now we will demonstrate, on the numbers, including integers and the floating numbers, and we will show here how to declare the variables and some numerical values and how to convert the integer to float and vice versa. We can try. So this is the number section. One more thing, we are using some comments. This comment is just to understand, or we are just adding this comment just to make the others to understand, and this is just a way to represent our code. So in case in future if you have write some code and you stuck, so that comments will help you to understand. And this is just a small program, but when you are working on a big chunks, so it will really help you to analyze the entire program into the short duration of time. So that's why we always try to write these comments. So we should make a habit of it, okay. So now I'm working on the number sections, okay. So let's say I'm giving any just declaring any integer. So simple, I can write here, let's say my int, okay. So let's say I'm assigning here, let's say 18. And then we want to print, so I will write here print, okay, and then I will give here my int, and it will give you the exact value which you have assigned here. So I will write here my int, okay, my int, and then I will here print. So you got this 18 value. So similar way, if you have any float value, you can print it here. So let's say you just gave my float and you gave the value, let's say, you know 54 example, so 54.0. And if you want to print, so similar way you can print here print, okay, and then my float flo 80, okay. No, this one, okay. So now I will print here. So this is the float, okay. Now my next agenda is to add some string. So we anyway we have printed hello world, so this would be same, but Python is a case sensitive language, so you need to take care of those things as well. So let's say I'm printing here some string, so I will add some comments. Let's say string, okay. Now here I will write my, I'm just giving similar kind of example so that it would be easier to understand. So now I'm trying to print some string, okay. So this is the string. So in this string I have added a value hello, and I will print this string. So I will let me execute it. So first integer, then float, and then string. So as I said, this is a case sensitive one. So let me do in a different way now. So I will add here double quotes. Okay. Yes. So let's say HELLO. Okay. Now I will print it here. So this is just a basic example to print hello. Now I will use some long string. So let's say again I will use the same variable. So here, okay, I will use printing, let's say long string, okay, and here I will print. Okay, but one thing you would have realized, I have used my string three of the times. So each time when let's say first time it will execute hello again, when we will assign my string to the smaller caps one, so it will replace the value. Okay, then my string would print the small hello, and then same thing is happened with here the long string as well. So when we assign this long string into the my string and we are printing it, the long string is printing here. Now here we will declare some variables, like let's say 1. Okay, let's say I give 1, and let's say 2 equals to 2. Okay, now I wanna add, or I wanna add and then print. So let's say the result is 3. Example I'm just giving. So 3 barabar, let's say 1 plus 2. Okay. Now I will print here 3. Print 3 and I will execute it. So you got the answer 3. Okay. Now I will do the same addition with the string, that is called concatenation. So now we will concate here the substring. So let's say we have one substring hello and another substring is world. Okay, so hello we have assigned to the hello, world we have assigned it to the world, and here hello world is just your result and we are adding hello and world. Okay, this we have given here just to add one space between the hello and the world, but here if you see you can't see. Okay, so what will I will do? I will add one space, and if I will execute it, fine, you can see one space. So this is what I was just wanted to achieve here. So this is the hello world. Now simple, if you are assigning couple of values in a sequence way, let's say a comma b, okay, and you are assigning let's say 5 and 6. So if I do here print, and then I want to print a and b, then I'm executing it and you will get the result of a and b here. So your answer would be 5 and 6. So this is how we printed integers, float, strings. Okay, and now I will do some error part. Okay, where we will mix some uh, strings with the numbers, and we want to see whether it will work or not work. Okay, so let's say 1 equals to 1. Okay, and then let's say 2 equals to 2, and let's say hello equals to hello. Okay, and now we want to do the concat operation. So let's say here we are printing, we'll do in a bit short way now. Okay, so let's say print, and we will write here 1, okay, plus 2, okay, and plus my third string variable is hello, so I will write here hello. Okay, now I want to execute it. So this will not work, say unsupported operand. So this is just an example that we cannot merge integers with the strings or vice versa, or even float to the strings. So this addition would always be either with integer or floats. And if we are doing addition with the strings, this would be called as concatenation, and this can only be done in the strings. So this is all about today's content, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Like, click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest update. So thanks, see you in the next video. Bye.